Oh, hello! Yes, I look like an ice cream sandwich. Actually, I don't know. I just have, my stomach is so pale. Okay, anyways. So, since the computer's not working, I was supposed to film some other stuff. I like filmed 4 different things and I just ended up deleting it all because I just did not like any of it. So we're gonna go to a lake. I'm gonna wipe off my makeup and we're gonna have a little picnic at probably like Veterans Lake or something like that. So let's go ahead and zoom over there. There we go. Okay. We're gonna wipe my makeup off. Because we're gonna go to the lake instead. Yeah. I'm really upset about my eyeshadow. I used 2 different shades, but they just merged into like one color, or you can like barely see the difference in the color. The beginning is more purple, and the back here is more like matte pink. You can't even like really notice unless if you really look at it. I'm not gonna say what palette it is, but it's like the hype was not what it. It did not, this palette did not live up to the hype that everybody talks about, because I really actually don't like the palette that much since I've gotten it. Goes everything. Okay, let's see. This is what I use. I don't know if it actually works. Actually. I do see when I use it. I definitely see progress. Don't think it's the best. There's definitely better out there, I would say. But for being budget friendly and not knowing a whole lot about eye cream, this stuff does the job. Alrighty, we are in the Hyundai right now, getting ready to go. We're probably gonna go to Quinns Lake. Alex really wants to go there. I guess there's like different sections that you can go to and access. So we're probably gonna just go and walk around there. But I do want to go over with you guys. I am actually going to be leaving to Oregon in about 2 weeks. So I may not be posting for maybe like 4 or 5 days. We're staying there for an extended weekend. I'll try and line some videos up previously for you guys if I can. We're gonna go get some food for our picnic that we're gonna have at the lake. And I think we're probably gonna do Chick-fil-A. Alrighty, so we are here at Quinns Pond.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, geese, for pooping everywhere. We appreciate it. Little pretty chickadee thinking she can get, okay, just a little, okay? Just a little. Oh my god, my thing is so fracking soggy. This is the damage that I have done. That guy is such a little meanie. Look, we got a limping girly over here. She is limping. She's not doing so hot. Did you hurt your feetsies? Here, give me a fry. Leave her alone. Look at that, they're all attacking her. They took like most of her fry. This little spot right here. Alex says it's more for the kayakers and not for us, but I don't know, that looks like a really good spot to chill, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, I found the perfect skipping rock. This is so perfect. No! I wasted it. How dare I? I want to go over there. That's where like we can hear all this music and stuff coming out from over there. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we'll go walk over there and see if we can join our party.
There is the green belt.
Guys, look at this cute baby duck. Oops, I accidentally turned off the camera. There you go. So cute. I cannot get enough. So adorable. I'm just gonna suntan right now while the sun is still out. We will probably chill for a little bit longer. Maybe swim a bit more and film it and then call it good.